were studying what? Spherical mirrors and reflection. And there were two kinds of spherical mirrors, as I mentioned to you, convex and concave. Convex you call muhaddab and concave makar. Okay. So what are the spherical mirrors? Actually, if you have, this is like a sphere. Okay, and this is the center of the sphere. Okay, if you cut a piece of this sphere, let's suppose from here or from here, what will be that? Spherical? Spherical. Yes. So sphere is like a football. Okay, three-dimensional circle. Okay, it's like a football. Now, there are two possibilities. Let's suppose half of this sphere, this one is polished from this side, polished from inner side, and other half polished from outside. Polish means this is a reflecting surface and this one is a reflecting surface. Okay? So you can separate it like this portion, okay? And here the center is C, center of curvature, okay? Center of curvature. Now, if this is this part of the sphere, and as I mentioned that this line, we call it principal. You remember anything or not? Yes. What? Principal axis. Okay? Principal axis. You can also draw here. This line is principal axis. And C, center of curvature, and R, what is R? Radius. Radius. So radius half of
F. Radius half the slope.
Here is C and here is F. What is F? Focal point.
F half radius.
Sorry?
F half radius.
Yes, F is equal to half because these are
C
half and half here.
Yes.
Okay. Now if we draw the ray diagram, okay, so ray diagram, two kind of ray diagram, convex and concave. We have to understand properly, okay? And there will be an equation at the end, okay? So here, what you do here, when you draw, all these things, I think you must have studied somewhere before. Principal axis, okay? This is spherical mirror. Which side is polished? Which side is reflecting side?
The right side.
Left side. Okay. Left side is reflecting side. And what kind of spherical mirror it is? It's a convex or concave? Makar or muhaddab? Yeah? Sorry? Convex. Convex. Yes, it's a convex.
The voltage will be on the right.
This is convex mirror. Okay.
Convex محدد.
Yeah. How do you write like this? Like this?
Yes.
Okay, so here this is a C and here F. Okay? Other kind of okay, so here, so which one is the reflecting side here?
The right one.
Right one. Okay, and what kind of spherical mirror it is?
Okay.
Okay. So, and here we see and as I mentioned before, in case of convex mirror,
This is spelling for
concave, C-O-N-C-A-V-E. Okay. Concave, or you can write makar. How do you write makar?
being half
In calf and
And
ain arf.
yes.
So, if the object is here somewhere, in case of a convex, okay, if the object is here, how to draw the ray? One line parallel here, okay. One line from the object directly goes to the
See,
center of curvature. One line we draw here, which cut this parallel lines, that is from focus. Okay. This, where they are intersecting each other, here we find the image. Okay. So this is object, and this one here is image. If you draw the line here, this is parallel line, how high the image is. Okay? You can draw one more line here. These are arrows. So this is what I mentioned in the last lecture, that with the convex mirror, you cannot focus the light. Okay, and you cannot have real image. So virtual image. Okay, on the other side. And I also mentioned that the convex mirrors are used mostly where the side.
Cars.
Yeah. Okay, side mirrors of your car.
convex.
Yeah. This is how you draw the rays for the convex. In case of concave or makar, what you do here, image will form somewhere here, okay. Image will be real as I mentioned yesterday. So, here, this is object. Okay. So if this is object, you draw the line here. Okay. What is the second?
F to F
From image, object
to F.
to pass through
F.
To center.
C.
To center.
Okay. And what else? This from the focus, the line which is drawn parallel intersects here, and this is your
Image.
okay. Okay.
reflect in an image.
Yes. And this image is real but inverted. Inverted.
Clue.
Maklub.
Yes. Upside down.
Yeah. So image is real, but it's
Inverted.
upside down. Okay, inverted. So in this case, we cannot have a real image. Okay. In this case,
Yeah.
we can have a real image, but inverted. Okay. These are the basic things related. related to the spherical mirrors. Now, there are a few points which you need to know. First thing, have you seen these kind of mirrors, spherical mirrors? Never? Curved. Have you seen
What?
in the lab the curved or spherical mirrors? Have you seen?
لا يقصد مرآة محددة شفتوها.
ايش
Mirrors.
بالمعنى. Yes, we see in the
There is a small with the handle used by old man.
No, that is lens. That is adsa.
You ask about
I'm asking mirror.
mirror, yes.
Mirror. Adsa is very common. That mirror, that lens is very common. Muhaddab and makar. Okay. You
and
need to ask
the,
this.
and the face is, I think it's different. You see the mirror.
Sorry.
If I see the mirror or tandem, is face is different. Maybe it's big, maybe it's small.
Yes.
Yes, we see.
For the that when we study the refraction. Okay, the equation actually, common equation for this one. So what this equation is showing, you can see here, this is distance of object from mirror. Di, distance of image from mirror. Okay, and F, focal point of where the light is focused. Okay, yeah. This is a basic equation. With the help of this equation, we can find out where image is formed if we know this one and this one, and what kind of image will be there, inverted or not inverted, or real image, imaginary or what, virtual. Along with this one, there is another equation which we call the magnification factor or magnification. Okay. Okay, magnification. You know magnify, you use the mirror to magnify.
Yes, sir.
So the magnification of the image, you can takbir.
I mean change of size. Or
Yeah.
Like zoom.
Zooming is also you can. Okay, so here M Hi over H naught is equal to Di over D naught.
Distance of object
Height.
from what?
Distance of image from mirror, distance of object from mirror.
Real. First one.
Huh?
First one real.
I'm not saying real or imaginary anything here. This is I'm explaining the equation. I for image, O for object. Object, image. And here with the magnification Hi over H naught. So Hi
Over H naught.
height of image. Okay? So Hi is not height of the height, how high the image is, okay? And magnification also related to distances, okay? So with the help of these equations, we can find out, we can understand
F. What?
focal
Okay.
point, focal length, or whatever. Okay, so these, with the help of this and this equation, we can find out what we can, where image is formed, what kind of images,
the size of the
size and etc. Okay, so few things here.
F focus point.
Hmm?
F focus point.
Yeah. The light is focus, focal length, whatever it is. So, this M, if M is equal to 1,
mean the image is the same.
yes, you are right. The image is same image. If M is greater than 1, what will be?
The image is bigger.
Image is small.
Huh?
Bigger.
Larger, bigger, larger. Object. And M less than 1,
Less.
small. And now there is a problem. We try to solve the problem. This problem I can show you here. What is the statement actually? Here. Problem is very simple, but just people need to have idea. A Star Wars action figure 8 centimeter tall is placed 23 centimeter in front of a concave mirror with a focal length of 10 centimeter. Where is the image? How tall is the image? What are the characteristics of the image? Okay? You have to, if I give this kind of problem in the exam or in the quiz or something like this, you have to solve step by step, not with the broken hands. Okay? I observe many, they don't, this and this. Okay. Step by step. Okay? To get good marks. A Star Wars action. So, the height of the object 8 centimeter tall. Okay. So, height of the object object
Just
8.0 centimeter. Second point, what is that? Is placed 23 centimeters. DO 23.0 centimeter. Okay. What else? In front of a concave mirror, okay, not the convex, with a focal length of 10 centimeter. Okay. Focal length H0 D0. Okay. So what else? Where is the image? So
draw, we must draw.
DI we need to know. Okay. And HI we need to know. And M will also help as well. Because they are saying what are the characteristics of the image. Okay? So first thing, what kind of mirror it is? Concave. Okay. So concave mirror,
We must draw.
it's better for your convenience. Or if I mention specifically in the problem to draw, then you have to. Okay. So This is your principal axis. Okay, and it's concave. So concave means inner surface is reflecting.
Inside.
Okay. Here you C somewhere and here your F somewhere. Okay. Object 23. You can suppose it somewhere here, maybe 23. This is 10, 10, and here somewhere. Okay. Yeah, this is this. So here F and here C. Yes, you are right here. Yes. You didn't point out it was my mistake. And here this intersection here. So here will be
Image.
okay. So this is image. Now this I assume that this one is 23 centimeter, which is approximately. Now, what we are supposed to find out? The height of the image. Height of the image. And
HI.
yeah, HI. And where image is formed? H, DI. Okay. So we have this equation. If you rearrange this equation, what will you do here?
Yeah.
You can't find it.
What we are supposed to find out? Here, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We can rearrange this equation. So we can write 1 over di is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over d. Okay. Now, much better to arrange before to put the values. Okay. So here f d naught. Here you have d naught. Here you have f.
Yes.
So di is equal to f naught over. Okay. Upside down.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Upside
But I can already using the calculator. and find-
It's up to you, but it's more systematic and avoid any kind of confusion. You can. It's up to you.
Okay.
So here, if you substitute the values, so what is f here? F here is 10, and what is d naught
Can
here?
it 2 meter
20.
or not?
Sorry, centimeter is okay. Centimeters are okay.
No.
If specifically, if they ask to convert into the meters, here it is.
Okay.
Okay, so and d naught. What is d naught here again? 23 and minus 10. So what this value is coming? It's coming 30. You can calculate using the calculator. 17.7 centimeter.
I should read the steps, step by step.
Read what? Right. Yeah. Not like broken hand. What you do the last semester. What you did in the last semester. You know broken hand means
Yeah.
not clearly written. Not clearly written. Okay, so first thing we found here, this one. And what else we need to find out?
HI.
We need to find out M. M. Okay? M, how can we find M?
By
Hi over H naught is equal to,
Minus the di over the.
okay?
Okay.
So, in this case, so you have M, and what is the value of di? Is 17.7 over, what is d naught? 23. So what value will come here? I think it is
Zero
minus
point-
minus 0.77. Okay. Now you have found this thing. What else you can? This thing is given. Okay. This one we also need to find out HI. Okay. So M is equal to
HI over
HI over H naught. Okay. So HI is equal to M
H
multiply
H
H naught. So M minus 0.77 and H naught
H.
8. So Hi is equal to minus something.
minus 6 minus
6. You see from here. 6.2. So negative sign. Why negative sign?
Because the image is
Inverted. Upside down.
مقلوب.
Upside down.
Yes, this is what I mentioned.
Blue.
because
I cannot speak so much. So
okay.
yeah, in case of if you have a convex,
Different.
the case will be different.
Yes.
Okay, formula same, same formula. Maybe the sign will change somewhere. Okay, and in like image will be virtual, not real. In case of convex. Okay, yeah. Rest of the steps are same. The sign will be different. So whenever you have this kind of problem related to the spherical mirrors, so you have to use this formula and then magnification.
M is our H1.
Yeah.